Hey, good afternoon, everybody. We're going to go over our Forex trades for today, Tuesday, October 21st. Pretty slow, surprisingly. China came out last night. All eyes were on their GDP numbers. They came out last evening here on the East Coast, um, pretty much in line with estimates from what analysts expected, although their economy did slow from a year ago and even last quarter. But it didn't shake up markets. They came, like I said, they came in line. When you get countries announcing uh, economic numbers that match forecasts, they don't do a whole lot for us as far as creating action and volatility. Um, and really, no economic news here in the states, so really a slow day. We did have three trades, which you see here, U.S. dollar, Japanese yen, uh, pulled out about 10 pips or so, and we'll go over them as you see. We did get some signals from the algorithm, which actually signals were good for a couple days. Trades didn't get triggered, lack of volatility really, and then they were canceled this morning, and then there were two new ones earlier this morning, which still have not been triggered. I don't know if they will get triggered, but as far as the scalping algorithm, U.S. dollar, Japanese yen, which we concentrate on, like I said, we had the three trades pulled out right around 10 pips, 10 and a half pips. We'll go over them as you see here. First one, we were long yesterday. We were long this for a very long time. We were long at 106.974. We got close to being stopped out. Again, we're going to risk, we like to risk around in the neighborhood of 20 pips. Got real close to being stopped out, but never did. And then it came back. We were basically flat on it. It was hovering right around the figure 107. We were looking at it. We were saying, all right, we're basically flat. We're up, 1 pip, 1.5 pips. It's at the figure. What's the odds it busts through the figure? As you know from following us, we're not a fan of figures, which is the even number 107 even. So we got out. We took the 1.6 pips. It could have busted through easily, but it was a chance we were willing to take because we're booking the profits from going almost being stopped out. So we'll take it. It ultimately was the right move, and we actually announced what we were doing in our group on WhatsApp. And then it starts to turn, and we get a signal to go short 106.886. I think just from being in this first one for so long, we were a little gun shy. I mean, we took the trade short, but as far as our profit, we just scalped it real quick, picked up 3.3 pips, and you could see what it did. I mean, at first when we first covered, I thought we made a pretty good, even though we only made 3.3, I thought, oh, we did pretty good because it hovered here for about a half an hour or whatever it was, and then it finally busted down. And this is last evening, probably around 11 o'clock, 11:30, 10:30 p.m. on the East Coast. It started to break down, and it broke down hard. So if you were still short this, it was a beautiful trade. I mean, look at this. It came all the way down to 106, 106.30 basically. So great trade if you held it. We're not looking for moves like that when we're scalping. Are we looking for 1 pip or 3 pips? No, we're looking for more than that. But you're going to take what you can grab. And then this morning we got a short in it at 106.757. It was an easy trade, came in our direction pretty quickly. We covered right at 106.700 as this was actually our fill. So we picked up 5.7 pips on that trade, and it did break down more than that. Maybe we left some on the table there. There's at least 6 or 7 pips there. I mean, there is. I don't know if there's quite 10 because this is the bid, so you got to take consideration the spread. But at least 5, 6, 7 pips more we could have made on that trade. We probably got out a little early again on it, just because when you have the lack of volatility in the overall market in these last couple of days. I mean, last week or coming into this week, it's been really active. Yesterday, today. it's like someone turned a faucet off and the markets went quiet on us. Um, so when you get that lack of action, you're going to take what you can grab real quick and move on. At least when you're talking about scalping. I mean, if you're in a longer term swing trade, a little bit different ball game, right? So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. If you're still trading now, good luck. If any signals come out, they'll be coming your way. Hopefully you're also using our scalping indicator. And assuming we get some action, we'll be back tomorrow. Like I said, and if you're still trading now, good luck. Have a great day.